Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Roblox detected a security threat. Please uninstall routing frameworks and reinstall Roblox from an official app store. So if you are getting this error in Roblox, such as Roblox detected a security threat or security threat detected in Roblox app, then here follow the fixes to solve this issue. Now first of all, uninstall Roblox if you have downloaded it from the third-party websites. So if you have downloaded the Roblox app from the third-party websites such as APK Mirror, Up to Down, APK Pure or any other website, particularly from the APK Mirror, then uninstall the Roblox app from your device and then reinstall Roblox app only from the Play Store or Apple App Store. This will resolve the issue. Also make sure that you have the updated version of Roblox. If there are any pending updates or update is available, then update it to the latest version. To do so, open Play Store, then tap on search for Roblox and search for it and then tap on it. Now if you see any update available for this app, then kindly update it. Now also make sure that you have not modded the game. If you have modded version of Roblox app, then you will get this security threat detected error while playing the game. So make sure you do not have the modded version of Roblox app on your device. Now second fix is to unroot your device. Now if you have ever rooted your device, you must unroot it. And after unrooting your device, you must uninstall the root installer manager or checker app or software from your device, such as root file manager, root checker, king root, iRoot. So these are some apps that helps in rooting the Android devices. So if you have this kind of app and that you have used to root your device, then kindly unroot your device first and then uninstall this software from your devices, and then you will not get this kind of security threat detected error in Roblox app. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily fix Roblox detected a security threat error or security threat detected error in Roblox app. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.